Payback time, Logan. I've been waiting a long time for this. First, I'm gonna get you, and then that Stephanie. What do you think, Clint? He's got to ask himself one question. Does he feel lucky? Well, do you, punk? Go ahead. Make my day.
Tower 16.
Tower 16? Tower 16? Is that how we're gonna play this, Logan? By the numbers, huh?
Who is this?
I tell you, I get no respect from anybody.
What is this? What do you want?
Vengeance.
What? How'd you get through on this phone?
I used to be an electronics professor until an unfortunate experiment with a lifeguard catapulted me into future shock. Now it's time to return the favor, Logan.
Who the hell are you?
I'm your worst nightmare. Absolutely. I'll be back, Logan. You can count on it.